ladies and gentle fish, welcome back to another video. Today it's something big time rush out here. We're going to a drift event. My first time ever going to a drift event. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I'm going with 4 of my friends, and we're meeting up at McDonald's because McDonald's is amazing. And unfortunately, guys, we have some terrible news. We have some terrible news. I couldn't drive the Z. I'm in the PT Cruiser. I can't drive the Z out there because it's squeaking and squealing terribly. There's a problem with it. And it's just, I don't trust it to drive. It's 2 hours away and I don't trust the car to drive 2 hours away. So unfortunately we have to take the PT Cruiser. So the drive there is not going to be as fun at all. Chris, say hi to the camera. Introduce yourself to the camera.
Hey, I'm Chris. I drive an Audi.
He does drive an Audi, this is true. Dude, I'm sad that we didn't get to drive our cars. But then again, it's probably for the better.
Zach. Hi.
Let's go. Zach, are you taking pictures or are you vlogging
this thing. What?
Are you taking pictures or vlogging it?
Pictures.
Oh, okay.
Little do you know,
dude, you gotta get some nice pictures. What?
I registered this for Thompson. You're taking it out on the track.
I'm taking it out on the track.
We'll get you on
Well, you saw my burnout over there in the dentistry area, so you know how good I'm gonna do on the track. Yeah, I'm ready.
You see my drifts going down the dirt road?
Dude, what the fuck? Why did we even go down that?
Because Ben's a fucking
Yeah,
idiot.
you didn't listen to me.
No, Ben's got the fucking Candy Crush Saga map for a fucking map.
Yo, I just realized this is the Bass Pro Shops car. Everyone's got the Bass Pro Shops. Sponsor these guys right here. Look at them. Look at that. That's dedication.
Dude, every day, all day long.
Yeah, literally every.
Wake up till I go to bed.
Every day.
Comes off for execs.
We are, and look at you guys. Even the parking lot has those beautiful like this GTI on rotiforms. Wow, man. Look at this Beamer, bro. Look at this Beamer. Damn. I don't know what that is. What is that? I have no idea what that is. But look at the E36, bro. Oh my God, guys. Look at the E36. Look at the WRX. Look at the other WRX right there. Damn, man. These are some nice cars. GS300. Absolutely slammed E36 with a slammed Passat in front. Damn, man.
Bad. Trying to get the fucking E36.
And the E30 right next to it, dude. That E30's clean.
Somebody pulled up in a RAV4. Damn. I like these. 1 Series.
I want an E30 so bad.
Get it.
I'm gonna ask him.
Oh, look at that.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That's
dude.
the trade, dude.
It's got fucking work equip. No, not
I wonder if he wants a
If you want the E46 for it.
fucking $1,000,000. Let's say top.
Damn.
The X was honestly not that bad.
That thing is so clean.
I just need a little bit of loyalty.
Oh. Dude, that thing is beautiful.
Yeah, I think he wants to E46 more.
Boys, look at this SC. Holy moly. And then there's an FC right next to it. That's clean as shit. Bro, and an S14. And then a Genesis coupe with like the perfect fucking setup. This is the cleanest Genesis I've ever seen. This Genesis is beautiful. Look at this.
Look at the fitment on this S14.
Look at the fitment on the Genesis. It's wide body. Dude, this thing is beautiful. Holy shit, bro. And this S14, bro. Stop. Call the police. Look at that. Look at VS. Work VS. Look at the wheel setup, bro. That thing is so nice. Damn. You got the carbon fiber over fenders. Dude, that thing is mint. That's a bumper I have coming from my Z, by the way, boys. So get ready for that. That is sexy. Look at the fitment, dude. Look at the fitment.
Look at this Forester.
That Forester, yeah, I know, dude. These cars are shitting on my car. Everything. Is this thing?
Yeah, it's ring and drive too. There's another one.
I know.
It's right-hand drive.
Dude, that whole lineup makes me a little moist.
Right?
Damn, that thing is so nice. Birthday, Chris.
Everybody in the comments say happy birthday to Chris here. It's his good old, he's how old? 12 now?
Yeah, 12.
These guys are coming out now. S13 is killing it. This guy is nasty. Guys are nasty. I want to be like right there on the side.
Go on those bleachers over there.
What?
Go across.
Those bleachers?
Yeah.
guy's dying. There's no way that's There's no way that's not. Fucking LS. There's no way. This guy's so good. Dude, I'm surprised he's got him on. He gets down low. He gets some shots like Oh, this thing is so clean. How do you keep your car so clean? He lost the bumpies. Oh, he doesn't care. Fuck that thing. Screw the bumps. Fuck that thing. The bump. You gonna go around and pick it up, or is he just leaving it? It's on the same flavor. I'll take it. Free R33 bumper, bro. I'll take it. You can sell that for like 10 grand on fucking. It's not like it's just one random dude out in the blue just walking with a white bumper. Oh dude, this is art. There's a chaser and a Z. Dude, these poor guys. Gotta go pick up. Out there. Just holding a bunker. They're deep. I'm gonna go look at that Z real quick. We're in the parking lot area, and there's actually some really, really nice cars here. Just in the parking lot alone. Obviously over there where they're drifting, obviously there's not nice cars, but like these things, dude. I know that thing's faster than my car. There's no way that thing's not faster than my car. Look at the thicky boy wheels on that thing. It's got proxies. Dude, that thing is nice. And a Z. I like that Z. And another so many nice cars. One on the bleachers, man.
across this bumper.
Oh.
Holy shit, Zach.
Things are some.
There was a slight spill, so we're sitting here waiting. Everybody get out there with brooms.
The dang IS 300s.
Yeah, them dang IS 300s. Oh, look at this guy though. He's
Tire's getting stuck.
tires getting a little.